Hey guys, this is Peter, and you may remember back in April, Mint Mobile reached out to me and asked me if I'd try one of their plans to do a video about it. So they sponsored that video, and well, that was this one. I tried their service for 3 months and I was delighted with it. So when they reached back out to me and said, hey, we have a whole set of new pricing, would you be willing to try it again? And I said, absolutely. I love their service so much. I actually want to take advantage of these. And I'm not only switching myself over, I switch over my family as well. The service was excellent. This is an international carrier and they do a beautiful job. So when I told the family, hey, we're switching over, they had some questions. And I thought I'd gather those questions, find the answers, and share them with you because you probably have some of the same questions as well. So here we go. I will put a link down to the bottom. It helps out my channel. But what I wanted to do is take you through the questions and then show you how I'm doing it with my daughter's phone live. And let's just take a quick look. So one of the questions we had is my daughter goes to school in another state. So she said, Dad, will it work in my area? Well, if that's your question, we can just click on coverage. You'll come to this map, type in your address. It'll let you know how well it works. My wife is international, so she goes, can I call internationally? Because right now we pay $15 a month with our current carrier so that she can call home. Can I still call home? Absolutely. In fact, you can even scroll down and let's see, you put in your country. So you went to Japan, boom, it'll tell you how much to call a landline, how much to call a phone. That's the same price it costs if you're in France. You can actually pay to call mobile phones. So that's basically they're passing that through. France, boom, there we go. Landline is almost free. Mobile, basically what happens on a mobile is we get on the person on the phone and go, hey, turn on WhatsApp. We hop over there. I told my wife that instead of paying $15 a month, we could pay for this, and she'd get so many minutes you could talk for hours. So she said, absolutely, let's go ahead and do it. The phone's going to work. It's going to be great. So data roaming. So when you travel abroad, can you still go? What countries can you go to? That's all here too. In fact, go to the bottom. There's so many questions that could be answered right here. International calling, bring your own phone. I found some other great spots. Here's international roaming. Coverage area is all there. My wife also wanted to know, can I get somebody on the phone? And absolutely, here's the help center. If you just go here to help center, bink. Activation, how all that works. If you have a SIM card sent to you, that kind of thing. Different plans, different features. And guess what? 1-800 number, and you can actually call this if you want. I got someone right on the phone right away. Chat with an expert. I didn't try that. I've called the customer care 3 times, got someone right away that was helpful and able to answer my questions. So there we go. Let's get to this. Let me show you how easy this is to port over. You can lock in this plan right now. Let me show you the prices once again. The prices will return to the prices you see crossed out, but after 3 months. So it means for $45, I'm locking in the 20 gig plan. Currently, I have 4 gigs a month, and yeah, I hit that all the time, and it's kind of a pain. My daughter has unlimited on her phone, and we pay $25 a month for that, just for the privilege of being unlimited. And it's not really limited, as like this one. This one is 40 gigs a month, and you'll experience some slowdowns. But 40 gigs is a tremendous amount of data. Video stream at 480. But you know what? On a 7-inch screen, that's perfect. So there you go, guys. And plus, you wouldn't want to use all your data plan watching one movie. This is excellent. I've tried it. In fact, you can try it. There's a money-back guarantee. Is that listed here anywhere? Return policy. Boom. 7 days. Try it out. If you don't like it, you can absolutely get your money back. Submit the request. Hang tight. Get the money. This is a class act. Call that number. You'll see that it is exactly what you wanted. But hey, follow my link and lock it down because they will send you a SIM. If you have a modern phone like my Samsung, I have an S21, it has an eSIM. That is the new thing. If you have a new iPhone, like an iPhone 13, it will have an eSIM as well. That's an electronic SIM, so you don't actually have to have a physical card, but I like getting the SIM anyway. I can plug it in a phone. I can move it with me from one phone to another. This will take you through that. Let's go. So I'm going to send you a link, or I'll put up a QR code, and the QR code looks like this. Bing! You could shoot that QR code if you're not using your phone, if you're on your PC. If you're already on your PC, I'll put a link, I'll put it on the screen, but I'll also put it down below so you can just click it and it'll bring you right there. to this page. All you need to do is say, let's go. So I wanted to do it on my daughter's phone. Oh, you could check your coverage area right here. That's kind of nice. So I wanted to show you on my daughter's phone. Let's bring that up. And let's go ahead and do it right here, right now. Let's switch her over. So let's go. And let's see. Let's get started. You're tired of the old service? You want to save money? Well, that's what I want to do. I want to save money. So now we can try it for $15 per month. Next, we're coming from pick your provider. And then how many phones do you have at your home? Well, we have more than 4. She's had it for more than 2 years. Is your phone paid off? Yes, it is. That's a very good question. Is your phone unlocked? Yes, it is. So this happens to be an iPhone. Next. When do you want to switch? Immediately. eSIM or SIM? And it's going to have me answer some questions. No, my plan's not currently unlimited. She is, I would say, let's just say she's a heavy user. Let's delight her and give her a better plan. And let's see, next. It's easy to use more data, isn't it? She uses it 6 to 12 hours a day. She's aware of Wi-Fi calling. She rarely uses the hotspot. There we go. You can check your phone's compatibility. Type in the brand. This is an Apple. There it is. This is the 6S, I believe. Bing. Or you could type in your IMEI. Perfect. It says an iPhone 6 is compatible. So now we can view the plans. We want to get 20 gigs for her. It's $45 for 3 months. It's a limited time offer. We want a physical SIM. We're adding one to the cart. Add to cart. Boom. That easy. Now we're going to go ahead and review this. They're going to send me a SIM in the mail. And when that finally comes, then we can go ahead and insert it, and then they'll port over the number. Okay, so there we go. I had to call the experts, and guess what? They do have customer care. It's very good. You could chat with them. I called the phone number to speak to a live person, and it was great. So what they told me was to go ahead and pay for it. They'll send me a SIM in the mail, and that's when I activate it. Feel free to give them a call and set it up, and they'll help me transfer it over because I want to transfer my existing phone number and make that work. And guess what? They're going to help me do that. That all happens at activation when you receive the SIM. But go ahead and do this now so you can lock in this price, because this price is only good, I think, until the 25th of this month. Then it ends. So there you go, guys. Hey, as always, we're always trying to save some money. This is going to save me a ton. For the first 3 months, it's going to be $15 a month, and then thereafter, it goes to whatever plan you picked. And can you change your plan at any time? Absolutely. So if you wanted to go up and get more data, or if you wanted to go back down, there you go. But you can actually see the plans that we chose. $15 a month would still be $15 a month. 20 would be 20. 25 would be the one I just set up my daughter for. That's going to save me so much money. I was paying way more than that. Anyway, guys, hey, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Talk to you soon.